Everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to add or remove camera watermark on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So when I take a photo, so look here, showing it to watermark. So I'm provide how can easily set up or remove. So at first open your camera, click on to 4 dot, then you get setting option, press on, and then showing it to watermark. Just tap on, showing it to model name, or if you want to add your name, channel name, or your personal name, press on save. Or if you want to add date or time, or change font, okay, change position, okay. When you take photo, and when you take photo, then showing it to your watermark.